Hello.
Hi,
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. And how are you doing?
I'm great. My name is Mia. I am 22 years old and I live in New York, USA. What is your name?
My name is Irfan and I'm 18 and I am from India.
India. Cool. Nice meeting you.
And
So,
it's nice to meet you
what
too.
what would you like to do today?
Uh, so you are from America, right?
Yes, I'm from America.
Okay, so I want to know about you, your living like style and everything.
Sure. Yeah, of course.
So which part of America?
New York.
Oh, New York. Okay, okay. So you are staying alone?
No, I live with my family.
Your family, your parents?
Yes.
Oh, that's really nice. First person I met who is staying with their parents. Yeah, it's really
It's
nice.
better because New York is very expensive.
Okay.
Right. So I can't afford to live on my own, and I don't want to because my mom makes really great food.
Oh, that's nice.
So I don't want to move out. I love my family.
Okay, so you are originally from America, right?
Yes, I'm originally from New York.
Okay, so how many siblings and you have means how many members in your family?
So I have two brothers.
Okay.
One of them is young, he's 14, and the other one is 27, and he lives in Ohio. He's a doctor.
He's doctor.
Yeah, he lives in Ohio.
Oh, that's really cool.
Right.
Yeah, you also
Very
seems you seem so intelligent,
Oh,
and so
thank you.
hardworking, I guess. Yeah.
So do you actually. Why do you want to study English?
I'm not studying English. I'm just meeting you guys. That's it. I want to meet new people.
Okay. You seem very sociable.
So it's sociable. What do you say?
So sociable.
Sociable. क्या बोला?
You're
Oh yes, 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 yes.
because you like meeting people, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And so what do you do for a living? How's
Uh,
your life going?
I am sports person. I'm playing cricket and studying as well. I'm doing my graduation.
Okay. Are you in high school?
No, graduation in the sense.
Hello?